Hey makers and bakers, it's Tanya Cames with Menagerie Parties and Cakes. Welcome to my new YouTube channel. I'm super excited about launching this channel. It's going to be a dream station for anyone that's got a creative edge to them. We're going to be doing all sorts of things from painting, sculpting, baking mostly, because I love baking, and hopefully you can learn some stuff. A little bit about me. I am absolutely the most adamant animal lover on the planet, especially felines. Tigers are my fave, so you'll probably meet my two boys, Simon and Ollie, during this YouTube experience that we're going on together. So hopefully you will enjoy and stay tuned, because our next video is going to be a Deadpool cake. Super excited about that. Here's just a few examples of some of the work that I've done in the past. Enjoy! So there you have it, some examples. Hopefully you see something that you would like to learn how to do. If not, I'm sure there'll be something in the future that we can all do together and learn. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.